Hello and welcome to In Depth. I'm Tina Jha. The 66th National Film Awards were presented by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar in New Delhi on Monday. The winners included a host of cinema stars from all across the country. Underscoring the importance, reach and influence of cinema, Vice President Naidu had a special message for the people who drive the powerful medium of Indian cinema. In fact, calling cinema an instrument of social change, the Vice President asked filmmakers to focus on its utility to educate people and also bring about changes in attitudes to combat social ills. He also called upon the film fraternity to curb the depiction of violence, vulgarity and also obscenity, given its impact on the youngsters. In Depth today takes a look at the winners of the coveted National Film Awards who were honoured this year, the various categories and basis on which these awards are given every year, as well as a brief history of the National Film Awards. The 66th National Film Awards felicitated the best among Indian cinema in the year 2018. So let's first take a look at who the winners this year were. India's most prestigious awards in the field of cinema, the National Film Awards for the year 2018 were presented at a ceremony at Vigyan Bhavan in the national capital. Actors Vicky Kaushal and Ayushmann Khurrana shared the Best Actor award for their films Uri, The Surgical Strike and Andhadhun. Uri's director Aditya Dhar also won the award for Best Director. The film also took the awards for Best Music Direction Background Score and the Best Sound Design. Kirti Suresh, a well-known name in Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam cinema, won the Best Actress Award for her portrayal of actress Savitri in the biopic Mahanati. Helaro, a Gujarati film directed by Abhishek Shah, won the National Award for the Best Feature Film.
ये अनुभव बहुत अमेजिंग अनुभव है क्योंकि गुजराती सिनेमा में पहली बार किसी फिल्म को बेस्ट फीचर फिल्म का नेशनल अवार्ड मिला है, वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात थी। लेकिन एक साथ 13 लड़कियों को एक्टिंग के लिए स्पेशल जूरी अवार्ड मिलना, वो भी हमारी हिस्ट्री के लिए, गुजराती सिनेमा की या फिर इंडियन हिस्ट्री के लिए भी बहुत बड़ी बात है। बहुत स्पेशल फील हो रहा है। हिलारो एक ऐसी कहानी है जिसमें एक छोटे से गाँव की कहानी है जिसमें लड़कियाँ जो है, औरतें जो है वो गरबा नहीं कर सकती और एक दिन उन्हें कोई मिलता है और वो लोग रेगिस्तान में छुपते छुपाते गरबा करते हैं। एक दिन गांव में पता चलता है और फिल्म जहां पे एंड होती है वहां एक पॉजिटिव नोट पे गरबा से फिल्म एंड होती है।
Akshay Kumar's Padman was named Best Social Issue-Based Movie. The film is inspired by the life of A. Amuruganthanam, a social activist from Tamil Nadu who introduced low-cost sanitary pads. Shekhar Kapoor's Pani was adjudged Best Film on Environmental Issues. Badhai Ho also won 2 awards, Best Popular Film and the Best Supporting Actress Award for Surekha Sikri. Telugu film Chila So won the Best Original Screenplay, while Andhadhun won the Best Adapted Screenplay. Regional cinema also walked away with big honours at the 66th National Film Awards. Swanand Kirkire won the award for Best Supporting Actor for the Marathi film Chumbak. Kannada film KGF Chapter 1 was awarded for Best Action Direction. Another Kannada film, Ondala Erdala, won the award for Best Film for National Integration, while P.V. Rohit won the Best Child Artist Award for Ondala Erdala.
उस कहानी में मैं एक गाय को बहुत प्यार करता हूँ और वो खो जाता है और मैं ढूंढते सब कहानियों आता देते हैं और लास्ट में मेरा गाय मुझे मिल जाता है। टीचर्स ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट की है, बहुत धन्यवाद मेरा टीचर्स को।
Other child artists who were felicitated include Srinivas Pokle for Nal, Sami Pranad for Harjita and Talha Arshad Reshi for Hamid.
पूरी फिल्म है एक बच्चे पे है जिसकी वो पूरी जर्नी दिखाते हैं, वो कैसे अपने खोए हुए जो पापा है उनको ढूंढते हैं, वो और उसकी माँ का पूरा स्ट्रगल दिखाते हैं कि वो कैसे अपने बाप को ढूंढते हैं। वो 786 डायल करता है एज गॉड नंबर, वहाँ पर एक CRPF जवान फ़ोन उठाता है। ये मूवी की बेस स्टोरी है।
Kannada film Sarkari Hiriya Prathmika Shale Kasaragod won Best Children's Film Award, while Marathi film Nal also won the Best Debut Film of a Director Award.
ये फिल्म एक जो अडॉप्ट करते हैं बच्चे को उसके बारे में है और ख़ास करके माँ बेटे के रिश्ते के ऊपर है। ये मेरा दोस्त है जिसने सैराट का कैमरा किया था, सुधाकर रेड्डी, उसने ये डायरेक्ट की है। और सैराट हम जब बना रहे थे उसी दौरान मुझे ये कहानी उसने सुनाई थी मेरे दोस्त ने, और मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगी थी तब हमने डिसाइड किया था कि ये फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। और बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस भी किया मराठी में और नेशनल अवार्ड भी मिला, बच्चे को जिसने काम किया उसको भी मिला।
MJ Radhakrishnan won the Best Cinematography Award for Malayalam film Olu. Released after much controversy, Padmavat also made its mark, winning the Best Choreography National Award for the song Humor. Bindu Malani won the Best Female Playback Singer Award for Mayavi Manave from Nachirami. Best Male Playback Singer went to Arijit Singh. The National Film Awards also felicitated the best films in regional languages. The best Rajasthani film was Turtle. Bhonga was the best Marathi film. Baram, best Tamil film. Hamid as the best Urdu film. Ekje Cheho Raja was adjudged the best Bengali film, while the best Malayalam film was Sudani from Nigeria. The best Telugu film was Mahanati, while Bulbul Can Sing was adjudged as the best Assamese film, while Harjeeta won the best Punjabi film award at the National Film Awards.
कि पहले राजस्थानी में बहुत पहले एक बहुत अच्छा कल्चर था फिल्म बनाने का, लेकिन धीरे धीरे वो कल्चर ध्वस्त हो गया। और अगर आप पिछले 10 सालों का रिकॉर्ड देखें तो कोई राजस्थानी में कोई अच्छी फिल्म बनी ही नहीं है अभी तक। और हम लोगों ने राजस्थानी में फिल्म बनाने का डिसीजन मेरे प्रोड्यूसर मिस्टर अशोक चौधरी ने इसीलिए लिया था क्योंकि हम इन अ वे हम लोग राजस्थान के कल्चर को, वहाँ के आर्ट को, वहाँ की प्रॉब्लम्स को, वहाँ के कल्चर को, वहाँ की रिचनेस को शो करना चाहते थे। और जो एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है वर्ल्ड में, ग्लोबल समस्या पे पानी की समस्या जो है, उसको हम लोग हाईलाइट करना चाहते थे। दैट्स वाई हम लोगों ने टर्टल का टॉपिक चुना और वो है पानी।
Named for this year's Dada Saheb Phalke Award, megastar Amitabh Bachchan could not attend the ceremony due to ill health. A special mention was made for Shruti Hariharan, for Nashirami, Chandrachud Rai, Joju George Joseph, and Savitri Sridharan. Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV. And after presenting the awards, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu extended his greetings to all the National Film Award winners and expressed hope that the year 2020 would see an ever-increasing sense of artistic and creative fulfillment in Indian cinema. In addition, he also called upon the filmmakers to use film as an instrument of social change. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu on Monday presented the 66th National Film Awards in New Delhi. Calling films a powerful medium of communication, the Vice President advised the film industry to give importance to films related to social issues. He urged filmmakers to use cinema to educate people, promote social harmony and right values while helping in combating social ills.
Cinema with a message not only entertains people but also enlightens people, impress upon the people. So there is a need to promote more socially relevant issues while giving quality entertainment to the people. In my view, the filmmaker should also be conscious of the impact this powerful medium has on the people. The effort should be to educate people and promote social harmony. The focus should be on creating an artistic rendition of challenges and social ills and resolve the conflicts in a way that reinforces social cohesion and ethical principles.
Expressing concern over the incidents of rape and violence against women, the Vice President said society, and particularly the film industry, should depict women in a respectable manner.
We have a separate great tradition. आदि काल से, वेद काल से, पुराण काल से, पुण्य काल से हमारे पूर्वजों ने जिया और दिया, विरासत में हमको मिला। स्त्री को मातृमूर्ति के रूप में हम लोग हमेशा मानते थे। बीच में जो भी हुआ उनके कारण से जो मूल्यों में गिरावट आया, इसको दोबारा मूल्यों को ऊपर लाने का बहुत जरूरी है। ये केवल सरकार के ऊपर निर्भर नहीं कर सकते, and this cannot be left to government alone, बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, बेटी बढ़ाओ, but all of us in the society and particularly in the film industry, they must promote, depict women in a respectable manner. And cinema has a great role in influencing the mind of the people. We have seen, unfortunately, the atrocious things that are happening against women here and there. It happened. We have seen the Nirbhaya Prakarana also, unfortunately. What is required is not a new bill. What is required is political will, administrative skill, go for the kill of the social evil. That is what is required. This is evil, social evil which has come in between. We must see to it that we end it. And here I feel the cinema has an important role because the cinema is the most powerful communicator in the modern society. The TV, the cinema.
Referring to the global popularity of Indian cinema, the Vice President said Indian films convey a glimpse of Indianness to the outside world. He added that cinema should be an effective ambassador in cultural diplomacy.
Appeal to the filmmakers and others in the film industry to take the lead in curbing violence, obscenity and vulgarity in the films. Film should be such, you must be able to go with your daughter, with your wife and with your mother, go to the cinema hall, enjoy the film, then that is the film is really good film according to me. Every filmmaker must make a conscious effort to ensure that the dialogues, depiction of characters and costumes reflect Indian culture, customs, practices, traditions. Cinema should also help in strengthening family systems and promoting democratic governance. As a matter of fact, cinema industry should not to do anything that weakens the culture, traditions, values. Many of the cinemas are promoting Bharatiyata, Indianness.
Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar called India's culture and art its biggest strengths while praising the regional language films.
आज कितने विभिन्न विषयों पर फिल्में निकल रही है। अभी भी हमने पुरस्कार दिए, प्रादेशिक फिल्में हैं। मैं तो प्रादेशिक फिल्म कहना जरा ठीक नहीं समझता, क्योंकि वो सब भारतीय भाषा है। भारतीय भाषाओं में जो विभिन्न भाषाओं में जो फिल्में निकलती है, उन फिल्मों में टर्टल पर भी फिल्म है। मैं पर्यावरण मंत्री हूं तो मेरा ध्यान ज्यादा उधर गया, और सब प्रकार के, क्योंकि जीवन एक बहुआयामी जीवन है। जीवन एक सुर से नहीं चलता, जीवन बहुआयामी है, तो उसके सभी आयाम स्पष्ट करने का मौका फिल्में देती है।
Top film personalities like Vibha Bakshi, who was felicitated in the Best Film Non-Feature category, called it an honor to be part of the Indian film industry.
We are beyond ecstatic. This is our consecutive film. Our previous release, Daughters of Mother India, had also won the National Film Award. So we are most grateful to the jury, to the audience for this recognition. So Sunrise is spelled as SONRISE. It is a gender rights film which only has men in it. Shot in Haryana, it is about ordinary men who've taken on the extraordinary fight for women's empowerment, for gender justice. And it's amazing to see this, because when we talk about equality, gender equality, ending violence, it's very important that men become part of the struggle. It is not men versus women. We are in this together, and together we have to end violence.
मुझे award मिला है as a best Urdu film. It's a pleasure to receive this award. It's one of the biggest awards in our country. I'm privileged. हामिद इस बच्चे के ऊपर है जो उसके फादर मिसिंग है और गायब हो गए हैं, तो वो पूछता रहता है कि ये 786 किसका नंबर है, तो लोग कहते हैं कि ये अल्लाह का नंबर है, तो वो डायल करता है 786, वो कनेक्ट हो जाता है सीआरपीएफ जवान में, और उसकी लाइफ कैसे चेंज हो जाती है।
द फिल्म इज़ कॉल्ड मधुबनी द स्टेशन ऑफ कलर्स, और उस फिल्म में डिपिक्ट किया है कि कैसे उस स्टेशन को, मधुबनी के स्टेशन को मिथिला पेंटिंग से सजा दिया गया और कैसे उसकी कायाकल्प होगी। और मुझे पेंटिंग के बिहाफ पे उस कैरेक्टर के लिए बोलने के लिए बेस्ट नरेशन।
From Syed Mohammad Irfan, Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV. Time for a very short break on the program. On the other side, we'll tell you about the eligibility criteria and also the selection process of the National Film Awards. Do stay with us. Welcome back. You're watching In Depth. Our next report takes a look at the selection process of the National Film Awards, which are presented in 3 categories every year. Since 1973, the National Film Awards are administered by the Directorate of Film Festivals. They are presented in the 2 main categories of feature films and non-feature films. Every year, a national panel appointed by the Directorate of Film Festivals selects the winning entry. The eligibility criteria has many clauses. According to these, filmmakers and particularly the director have to be Indian nationals. Films entering the competition should be produced in India. Co-production involving a foreign entity have to fulfill 6 conditions to qualify. The Central Board of Film Certification should certify the film between 1st January and 31st December. Awards are categorized in 3 sections: feature films, non-feature films, and best writing on cinema. Feature film and non-feature film sections aim at encouraging the production of films of aesthetic and technical excellence and social relevance. Best writing on cinema section aims to encourage the study and appreciation of cinema as art. Lifetime Achievement Award, named after the father of Indian cinema, Dada Sahab Phalke, is also awarded to a film personality for outstanding contribution to growth and development of Indian cinema. Award winners get a medal, cash prize and a certificate of merit. The award ceremony is held in New Delhi. It is followed by the start of the National Film Festival, where the award-winning films are screened for the public. With inputs from Syed Mohammad Irfan, Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV. And let's now give you a brief history of the National Film Awards. These awards select the best among the Indian cinema while focusing on the contributions to Indian art and culture. First presented back in 1954, the most prestigious awards in the country cover the entire national spectrum of Indian cinema. India's highest award in cinema, the Dada Sahab Phalke Award, is also presented to a film personality for their outstanding contribution to Indian cinema. First introduced in 1954, National Film Awards is among the oldest film award ceremonies in India. The awards are intended to encourage and honor films that aim to promote the integration and unity of the country. Initially called the State Awards, the National Film Awards started off in a small way, with 2 President's Gold Medals, 2 Certificates of Merit and silver medals for a dozen regional films. In its first year, awards were given in feature films, documentaries and children's films at national level. Separate awards for artists and technicians were instituted in 1968. Since their inception, the National Awards have undergone several changes in their aim and purpose. Currently, the awards are presented in the categories of feature films, non-feature films and best writing on cinema. Every year, the Directorate of Film Festivals sets up a national panel to select the winning entry out of thousands of entries received from across the country. While feature film and non-feature film sections aim at encouraging the production of films of aesthetic and technical excellence and social relevance, the Best Writing on Cinema section aims to encourage the study and appreciation of cinema as art. India's highest award in cinema, the Dada Sahab Phalke Award, is presented to a film personality for their outstanding contribution to the growth and development of Indian cinema. Presented first in the year 1969, the award was introduced by the government to commemorate Dada Sahab Phalke's contribution to Indian cinema. Dada Sahab Phalke, who directed India's first full-length feature film, Raja Harishchandra, in 1913, is regarded as the father of Indian cinema. The first recipient of the award was actress Devika Rani, who was honoured at the 17th National Film Awards. This year, megastar Amitabh Bachchan was the recipient of the Dada Sahab Phalke Award. In their 66th year now, the National Film Awards continue to underline cinematic excellence. The awards have, over the years, brought the best talent in Indian cinema to national limelight. In its over a half-century-long history, the National Film Awards have nurtured numerous talents who are now national icons and also known internationally. With inputs from Syed Mohammad Irfan, Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV. So that's it from us today in depth. We'll be back same time tomorrow now with a focus on some other subject. In case you missed the television broadcast of our program, you can also watch it online on YouTube and Twitter. And you can also drop in your feedback and suggestions about our program as well. Thank you for your time.